Hi, welcome to the auto shop. Is this your first time here? Welcome, I'm Jerry, I'm the owner. I started the company in 1981, so it's a long time ago, and I want to welcome you and show you around a little bit, tell you about our place, and tell you really what makes it a bit different, because I know we are a different kind of shop. So again, this is our service counter. This is Jeff. He's our general manager. He runs the store and makes sure that everybody's happy, and everybody's pretty happy. He's a cool dude. So we have a really nice waiting room over here, and in the waiting room we have a kids play area. We have coffee and snacks and drinks and whatnot, as well as a big window to look into the shop. You know how some restaurants like to show off their kitchen? I like to show off my kitchen, and it's really clean, and that's one of the things that separates us from the appearance of every other shop. We don't have all the big overhead doors in the front, so again, when you pull in, the first thing people say is, wow, I didn't realize it was so big, and secondly, wow, is it really clean? Yeah, it is clean. If we can't take care of our building, how can we take care of your car? If you're going to stick around, obviously you can use our waiting room, and if you're not going to stick around, we have a shuttle service that will take you back to your house or to your office, certainly if you're in the area. But if your vehicle's going to need to be repaired in our shop for a few days, we can actually schedule one of our free loaner cars for you that will help keep you mobile while your vehicle is being serviced in our shop. I understand what a pain in the neck it is when your vehicle breaks down. One of the things that we have is we have a 3-year, 36,000 mile nationwide warranty on everything that we take care of in your car. Oh, you know, earlier I talked about how clean my shop is. Come on, let me take you for a little walk. We'll show you what we're talking about. These are some of our plaques and awards that we've won over the years. We continue to get Reader's Choice Award for Best Auto Repair in the area. This is Environmentalist for the Environmentalist of the Year for North Texas. We've also won for the city of Plano, Northeast Texas, and the state of Texas. Environmentalist for an auto repair shop. Is that crazy or what?
Hi.
This is our accounting and bookkeeping department. This is what we call our research area, research room, where we have everything is online for automotive diagnostics today. So we have access to all of the repair systems. We even have some of the real books. And this is our little shop. You can see how clean our shop is, as well as the size of it. And it's nice and bright. It's not the typical cave. So now that you've seen our little shop and you've heard a little bit about the technology we have here, come on back up front. We'll get you written up and you can have a seat in the waiting room till our driver gets here. There you go. Thank you.